how to fix Roblox Unrecoverable error. So the fix is very easy. What we need to do is open up our computer search for add or remove programs, click on this, and we want to search this list for Roblox. So just search for Roblox, find your Roblox, and then uninstall it. Now if we have done this, then the next step will be opening up the Microsoft Store. So just search for the Microsoft Store here, load it up, and once this loads, we will just search for Roblox, and we're going to install Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So you're able to see this. Just click on it, and then you should see this option here to get Roblox after you have loaded it up in the Microsoft Store. And one more thing that I'm going to show you, if you have uninstalled, reinstalled, and that still doesn't work, you can open up your computer search, type Roblox player, right click, open file location, right click, open file location, and here we just want to run the Roblox player launcher. So this will essentially just confirm that Roblox is installed correctly. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.